So finding roots of a quadratic equation using completing the square method when there is no x square coefficient. So step 1. Actually, when you look at x square coefficient, we don't have anything. So in that case, what we indirectly 1 is there. So 1, no need of worrying about 1. So in that case, what you need to mean step 2, step 1, directly we can go to step 2. Actually, when you have a coefficient. So as of now, directly you can transpose 9 to the right side. We get -9. Look at the board. Step 2. So as I told you, right here x square, immediately you need to just reserve the two brackets and -9. Now what you need to do means you need to write first bracket x, second bracket after writing x, what else we have? 10 we have, write the 10. After that, immediately you need to write in the denominator 2, always in the denominator. And when you look at this, any cancellation is possible or not also you can try. So what you have here, when you compare this part with 2ab, so we'll get 2ab when you compare, so we'll get b is equal to 10 by 2. B is equal to 10 by 2 means after cancellation b is equal to 2 5s are 10. So we got b value 5. Add b square. So both sides, add b square both sides so that we can get LHS as a minus b whole square form. So as you write, as you see here, we'll get x square minus 2 into x into, so instead of 10 by 2, now this time I can write 5 here because I'm adding 5 now. So therefore, which is equal to -9. So as I'm adding 5 both sides, so I have to write here, so which is equal to 5. So plus 5 whole square both sides, plus 5 whole square both sides. Finish. Now this part is looking like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So therefore what we can write for this entirely, we can write x minus 5 whole square equal to -9 plus 25, 5 square equal to 25. -9 plus 25 equal to 16. X minus 5 whole square equal to 16 and x minus 5 equal to square root. Root if you transpose that will become square root. So x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 4 because square root of 16 is equal to plus or minus 4. So let us take one time positive number, the other time negative number. So x minus 5 equal to plus 4, that is equal to -5. If you transpose right side will become plus, so that is equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 9. This is the first root, and second root equal to x minus 5 equal to -4, and so transpose 5, you will get -4 plus 5, that is equal to plus 1. Okay, so x is equal to plus 1. Therefore roots of the given quadratic equation equal to 1 comma 9. Am I clear to you? Yes or no? Right. So what you think, what you need to do means when there is no coefficient, you can directly go for the second step. What is that? Transpose constant to the right side will become -9. After that, so write x square as a bracket x whole square -2, reserve the two brackets. First bracket you need to drop x here, and the second bracket whatever the number, blindly write down whatever the number, and after that you need to write the denominator 2 and take b is equal to, if you compare this part is 2ab, b value 10 by 2, and b is equal to after cancellation 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, so b value 5. Add for b square both sides, you will get so 5 square plus 5 square, and so simplify LHS part. You look at if you see, it is looking like 2a square minus 2ab plus b square, which equal to a minus b whole square, and solve the right side part and simplify, you will get 9 comma 1. Clear? Is that clear now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.